Hi everyone, hope you're all keeping well. Today I'm going to make a marmalade loaf cake. This is a sweet, zesty, full of flavour little cake, perfect for a tea time treat. So let's get started. What we're going to do first, we're going to mix butter or margarine. I'm using margarine and I love to use stork for this type of cake. Into here I'm going to add in some sugar. And I'm going to mix this up until it's nice and light. So it's just going to take about a minute or two. That's nice and light and fluffy, just the way we want it. So into here, while I'm whisking, I'm going to add an egg at a time and whisk it in before I add the other one. So in goes one. And that's perfect. So into here now I'm going to add in the zest of one orange, a little bit of vanilla extract, a couple of tablespoons of milk, and I'm going to add some marmalade. I love to use full-on marmalade. Full-on is the Gaelic word for wholesome. So I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons. Now I'm going to mix this together. And now for the final ingredient, self-raising flour. And I'm going to fold this in. So fold it in gently, making sure you get all the flour from the bottom and the sides mixed in too. Smells lovely, you can smell the orange from the orange zest. All right, that's perfect now. Let's set this to one side and get my tin. This is a 2-pound loaf tin. I've greased it and added a little bit of greaseproof paper as well. So let's get my mixture in here now. And just level the top, just like that. And there you have it, all ready. How quick and easy was that? Now we're going to get it into the oven and all the temperatures and times will follow. My marmalade cake is fully baked. It's risen lovely, gorgeous colour and smells delicious. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pop a spoon of marmalade on the hot cake and I'm going to brush it over the cake. Just a nice finishing touch to this lovely marmalade loaf cake. Gives it a lovely shine, flavour, and looks amazing. Now we're going to let this cool completely and then we'll cut it up. My marmalade loaf has cooled down enough now, so it's time to cut a few slices. Just look at that, really soft and fluffy. Get it onto a plate and it's time to try it. I'm just going to break it in half. Look at that. Look how soft that is. It smells delicious too, you can smell the oranges. It tastes really nice. And there's not a very strong taste of orange off it either. You can taste that marmalade in it too. Gorgeous, delicious. And there you have it everyone, that's my marmalade loaf cake. Really beautiful, give it a go and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow my page for lots more lovely recipes. Happy baking everyone, enjoy!